Today, I'm going to teach you how to tag people and companies in your LinkedIn posts. This is a really useful feature because when you tag someone or a company, they get notified about your post, which can help increase engagement and visibility with your network. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you've signed in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and all the recent activity from your connections. Now look for the option that says Start a Post. This is usually located near the top of your feed, often displayed as a text box prompting you to share your thoughts. Click on it to open the Post Composer. This is where you'll create your content and add those important tags. With the Post Composer open, start typing your message. This could be anything you want to share with your network, whether it's an update, an article, or just your thoughts on something. Once you've got your message going, here's where the tagging comes in. To mention or tag a person, simply type the @ symbol followed by their name. As you start typing, LinkedIn will automatically show you suggestions based on your connections and the name you're entering. Browse through the suggestions that appear and find the person you want to tag. Once you see their name, click on it. This will insert their profile into your post and they'll receive a notification that you've mentioned them. It's a great way to draw someone's attention to your content or acknowledge them in your post. Now, if you also want to tag a company, the process is just as simple. Type the @ symbol again, and this time start typing the company name. LinkedIn will pull up a list of matching companies from its database. Look through the suggestions and find the exact company you want to mention. Click on it, and just like with tagging a person, the company will be added to your post. This is especially helpful when you're sharing content related to a specific organization or want to increase the reach of your post to that company's followers. Once you've finished crafting your message and adding all the tags you need, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your message reads well and that you've tagged the right people and companies. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click the post button to publish it to your feed. And that's it. You've successfully tagged people and companies in your LinkedIn post, making your content more engaging and increasing the chances that the right people will see it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.